Good morning, Zazzers. Today we've got a really funky little item. It's the Altel U Remote. The U Remote allows you to control Windows Media Player or PowerPoint presentations, and you can actually set it to control everything else on your desktop if you really wanted to. This USB receiver actually pops out. Simply plug and play. Really easy. Plug it into the USB port. We've plugged it in and it's already working. I can actually select what I want using the up and down arrows. I want to play an audio CD, so select audio CD, press OK. How cool is that? Let's pause this. Let's play this. Bit of a shortcut, my computer, check this out. Even has a handy laser pointer. From our brief testing, we found that you can get about 5 meters comfortably. 10 to stretch, anything in between should be okay. To sum it all up, if you do presentations, have a laptop, watch movies or TV shows at home and feel like controlling stuff from your bed or couch and don't have to get up and change things on a media player, this remote turned out to be pretty handy, I guess.